Okay, nice and quick one today. Because sorry about that, I'm already at the gym. I just wanted to drive with some music on, get myself pumped up. I just actually came back from this Gymshark event. It was like for their 2 year birthday thing or something. I'll put in like a clip here or something. And I can't lie, that was like the first time going to like any like bodybuilding event or anything like that. And I can't lie, like the people there, it's honestly crazy. Like someone's shoulder was the size of my head, and that's not even an exaggeration. Because look, you may see all these guys on social media and stuff, but when you see them in real person, it's honestly crazy. And I mean, it's hard not to get motivated by that. So yeah, I feel like that is the perfect pre-workout for me. Even though I have finished my pre-workout, and I had C Bums. He's got a new little energy drink coming out, and they had cans. They're giving them out there for free. I tried some blue ice flavor or something like that. I can't lie, pretty decent. Would I get it again? Maybe, but yeah, unbiased review, pretty decent, and yeah, definitely woke me up a little bit. So yeah, I've technically had 2 pre-workouts today, which to be fair I needed because I had football this evening as well. I've had quite a busy evening, to be honest, but yeah, regardless, we are here for a chest day. The time is 11:20 on a Friday. I've still got this cold, which is super annoying, but I feel like it's getting better. So I think hopefully by Sunday should be gone. But yeah, I guess that's all I've got to say. I'll see you in the gym for whatever we start with. The day is finally here. D-Day is upon us. That is, we are on the bench. I've done a few warm-up sets, and bro, yeah, we need to incorporate this more often. Something about just benching, something about, sure, I love the dumbbells, but just doing a few warm-up reps there and a couple sets, it's got me, there's just something about it, you know. But, right, the plan is, I've got just under 80 kg, so 77.5, and someone on my last video, or the video before that, I'll put his comment up here, recommended doing these, it's like 3 reps of holds. So pretty much when I get to the bottom of the movement, I just hold it there for a sec and push up. And yeah, just very limited amount of reps. I think it said 3 reps. So we're going to give it a go. Plus, before he commented that, I heard about these holding reps, that they are meant to be very good for improving your bench. So that's exactly what we're going to do to kick off this chest day. And yeah, it feels good to be benching again. So that's exactly what the plan's going to be. We'll see how many reps we can get in. I'm going to move this a bit further down so that it doesn't get in my face. But yeah, without further ado, let's get it. And no spotter, so pray for me. Hopefully I don't die. Okay. Right. As you see, I've done a quick warm-up rep just to see how the weight's feeling. Felt good. Yeah, I can't lie. Seems like a good exercise, so I'm going to do 2 more sets just like this. And yeah, when I feel like I can't do any more holding sets, then I'm just going to pump out reps. I'm just going to pump out some regular reps just at the end, because why the hell not? So yeah, I'm going to do 2 more like that. And in the comments, let me know if there's anything I should improve. Yeah, any advice, I'm always very happy to take in. So yeah, if there's anything form wise or whatever, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm going to do 2 more sets like that, get my music blasting again, and we'll see what's next. Okay, incline time. I was considering doing some flies, but I was like, you know what, let's get the main press movement done first. So time for some incline Smith. Can't lie, my chest is already feeling nicely pumped just after doing those pausing reps for the bench. So I feel like that will definitely be added to the routine. I think probably as my main push movement for the next couple of chest days. Because I honestly I adore the dumbbells. However, taking a break from dumbbells, doing something else, and come back to them later, I feel like it'll be a nice little change. So yeah, thank you for that person once again who commented. But now time for incline. Nice and simple, 3 sets. What have we got? 25, 27.5 both sides, many reps as possible, and that's all there is to say. So without further ado, let's get into this first set. Right. One more. Yeah. 9 reps. That moves pretty nice. So I think I'm going to do the exact same for the next set before dropping the weight down for the last set, just so I can stay above the 8 rep range. Don't want to really go beneath that. But yeah, good set that. 2 more. And then probably some flies next. So let's move on to some flies. Right, time to get some flies in. Right, yeah, chest is already aching a pretty good amount, especially after those incline presses. But yeah, time for some deep stretching, time for some flies, a bit of a different focus. The thing that I like to do for these couple half reps at the end, when I can't get any more reps in, they always add up. That's what I found anyway. It's a bit of a cheat code, really. It's almost as if you're doing assisted reps in a slight way, because you can't do any more full reps, so sort of cheat a little bit as if someone would be giving you some assistance, but in this case you just don't go the full way, you just go about half. But it's really good for just that final little squeeze on your chest, and also for those of you just starting off, I know it definitely helped me. It helps to build that mind muscle connection with your chest. So yeah, that's the plan. Gonna go for 3 sets. The last set, I'm tempted to do a drop set as well. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into set number 1. Drop this down a bit. Right, let's go. Not even half reps really. There's more like quarter reps. That's because I feel like that last rep, I took it to a very good, almost failure, I'd say. So yeah, I don't mind that. But I'm gonna do 2 more sets, just like that. I think I'll add the drop set in there. Why not? I've not done a drop set for chest yet, so why not just throw that in there? But yeah, 2 more sets, and then I think to finish off chest, a couple sets of some chest press probably. So yeah, let's move on to that. And if not that, then some shoulder work. I only done 2 sets of flies. I feel like 3 would have been slightly overkill. Because I don't have too much volume that I've already done, excluding the warm-up sets. 3 for bench, 3 for incline. That's already 6. 2 more there. That's already 8 sets for chest, which is probably as much as you need. But I love this chest press too much to ignore it, so we're just going to go for a cheeky 2 sets right at the end, just to completely demolish chest. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Nice and simple, as many reps as possible. That's all there is to say. So let's get into the first set. And hold on, let me move this mic now, because yeah, when it's up here, it always tickles my neck and just gets so annoying. Put it down there. Yeah. Yeah. Right. I forgot to mention, I love a bit of wrist pause action for these sets. So yeah, that's where those little 2 reps at the end came into play. But 1 more set, and that will be chest completely finished. I need to just remember to keep my elbows tucked in, because like the first 3 sets, I'd have to watch it. 3 reps, sorry, have to watch it back. A bit too flared out. As soon as you tuck them in, chest just gets that extra activation, and yeah, it's just the better form. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm gonna do 1 more set, and then we've got some shoulders to finish things off. So let's move over to some probably overhead shoulder press, but in case I change my mind, we'll see. Right, time for some shoulders. I'm going to move this bench back just a tiny bit. But yeah, probably my favourite shoulder exercise. Overhead dumbbell press. Something about, I don't know, pressing it up, keeping it in this position. I don't know, it feels like you're Rocky when you get those weights up. But yeah, time for this 3 sets. Nice and simple, no drop sets. Yeah, just plain sets, 3 till failure. And yeah, that's all there is to say. Let's kick off this shoulder workout. I think the fire alarm's just gone off. Oh my god. The bloody fire alarm's gone off. Well, this is content, people. I love this. We're gonna stay here. We're gonna stay in and get a bloody set in whilst the fire alarm goes off. Because it will take only a real fire to get me out of here. But I can't lie, this happened to me, I think, almost exactly 1 year ago on the dot. There was a fire alarm in the gym. I'll put a video here somewhere. I don't know, maybe it's just a yearly pure gym fire alarm incident or something. But that is pretty cool. We're staying right here, we're not moving. I'm not getting out of here. They gotta get one of those bloody bouncers to get me out. We've got shoulders to complete, and I've got a pump check. Not missing that out. Yeah. Let's get a set in. Everyone else is getting a set in as well, so no one cares. Yeah. Yeah. One more. Yeah. Yeah. Right, that's a bloody good set. But look, I am not getting out of here. I think it stopped. Ah, there we go. Look at that, right on cue. I guess we can just do the rest of this talking. Oh, almost bloody fell over my dumbbells. But yeah, good opening. Set that under the strangest of circumstances. But two more just like that, and probably get some lat raises in. So let's get that done. Okay, seeing as the main room's pretty empty, let's get a quick pump check before there actually is a fire and I can't get to do one. So let's get a quick check on the chest and we can continue with this shoulder workout. Right, that will do. The abs are slowly starting to come through actually. I've been doing my crunches every day, so it seems like they're finally paying off. But yeah, enough of that. Let's do some lat raises. Okay, as I finished the overhead press, an idea came to mind. This is a little bit of a confession. I've never done cable lat raises before, and I sort of just experimented there. So by all means, let me know in the comments any ways to improve my form. However, from what I seemed to work out, it was pretty good. So idea that I came up with is let's do a rear delt and lat raise superset. So how it's going to work is we're going to get our kneeling lat raise. I can't speak. Kneeling. What am I doing? Not bloody lat raises. Kneeling face pulls. As soon as I'm done, we're going to get some side delt activation with the cable lat raises. So 3 sets just like that. And I suppose, yeah, that's all there is to say. But yeah, please let me know in the comments. Because I didn't even search up anything on TikTok or Instagram or anything about form for the cable ones. It's sort of just using my memory from what I remember seeing other people do. So yeah, I mean, I got something together and I felt it in my shoulders. So I suppose it probably worked to some degree. But yeah, that's enough yapping. Let's get into the first set. Yeah. Yeah. Right, those done. Now let's get on to these bloody lat raises. Right, so the way how I do them, hold on, let me actually put the mic up here. I'll let my neck suffer for you guys. Was just like, how did I do it? Like this. Right. Yeah. don't know if I should lean over more. Yeah. Yeah, however it's done. That is my prime example of how to do cable lat raises. I'm going to go turn around and do them on the other side now. Couple half reps there and at the end as well. But yeah, I'm going to do 2 more sets, and please destroy me in the comments if you have to, be as mean as you want. I'm giving you the green light. So yeah, this may be my new way of doing lat raises, just to save time. I can superset them with these face pulls. So yeah, I suppose that is shoulders done. Cardio, thankfully, don't have to do today. I've already had my football session, so what I've got left to do is 2 more of these sets, a bit of ab work, and I can finally get out of here. So in that case, I'll see you back in the car. Okay, nice and cozy in the car. Escape the treacherous cold. It's not even that bad right now. My car's saying 9 degrees, so yeah, really not the end of the world. But getting back into the car after a gym sesh with the heating on, it is a good feeling, to be completely honest. But right, very successful lift. Once again, we're on a pretty good streak now, to be honest. You're gonna go for it, mate. Oh, what's he doing? Is he gonna do a U-turn? No. But yeah, first things first. That bench exercise that I've done, that is definitely going to be more frequent in my chest days. Because yeah, I've heard a lot of people say that it is very effective for helping you increase your strength and subsequently increase your bench. So seeing as that is what, not the point of these videos are, but seeing that is the title of these videos, and that is the plan. My plan now, gonna go home, get some food in. I've been spamming the same post-meal. Yeah, right, no one's gonna let me through. I know they won't. Look, none of you are gonna make it through these lights anyway. So one of you may as well. Yeah, look, see, now you're all just sitting there like bums. Oh, my man's gonna let me through. Nice one, mate. Yeah, my plan, go home, get some food, and yeah, what I've been spamming is, I forgot to say it, in yesterday's video I said how many calories and protein, how much protein is in it. I calculated it and I forgot to add it into the video. It is 950 around calories and about 48 grams of protein, which is not too bad. That meal being any sort of bread. So, for example, yesterday I had a tiger baguette, so good. So you get, I don't know, about that much. 4 scrambled eggs. Before that, fry up some ham or chicken, like cooked chicken, or bacon, whatever you choose. And then add a whole lot of cheese. All that together. Then add a bit of ketchup and, well, any sauce really that you prefer, but I do ketchup and like habanero sauce or something like that. Any type of hot sauce. And that is, yeah, a whole lot of protein, a whole lot of calories, and a very tasty meal. So that is what I'm going to have tonight. And then I always usually follow that up with like some sort of yogurt. The Miller Corner, the fake ones that you can get from Aldi, because I'm not paying full price for them. But yeah, the fake ones they taste identical, but they're always like 170 170 calories, I think. and about, from what I remember, about 12 grams of protein in there as well, which is not too bad. So that's going to be my dinner for tonight. Oh my god, someone almost got absolutely volleyed by a Uber driver. He's standing there looking like a bum, deservedly so. But yeah, tomorrow we have a back day. Saturday night back. That will be, like always, a very good session. And I keep forgetting to buy straps. As soon as I go home, I'm buying new straps today. Excuse me. Because yeah, they are a necessity for back days. But yeah, one more quick thing I want to talk about. I want to just say a quick thank you to everyone that's watching. I don't know how, but these videos have recently been getting like over 200 views consistently, which to me is crazy. And so yeah, thanks to everyone that is watching. And I've actually been getting comments, like some hate comments, some nice comments. Look, you can hate comment all you want. It helps the algorithm, so could not care less. But yeah, to all of those comments that are actually somewhat useful and not just saying I can't remember what one of them said. But yeah, to all the helpful comments, for example, saying that recommendation for that exercise and stuff like that, really do appreciate it. That is one of the main points of me also making these videos. As much as, you know, I like putting it out there for other people to see, it's good for myself, you know, helping myself become a better lifter. So any tips are always more than welcome, even if they are hate ones. I always try and reply with a civil comment, and a lot of the times people change their mind and then they come back with a nice reply. So look, I'm a nice guy. I'm just trying to get some lifts in, you know. If my form is shit, then tell me my form's shit. I'll try and improve. That's all I can do, you know. Yeah, I suppose that's all there is to say for today. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave it a like. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. At the time of recording this, we are on 292 subs, which is 8 away from that 300 sub mark. So any new viewers, if you do want to see some more of me yapping, then yeah, subscribe to the channel, and that is of course greatly appreciated. But that's what I've got to say for today. Thanks a lot again for watching, and I'll catch you for a back day tomorrow.